Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the composition of the Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile. Article 37 of the Tibetan Charter demonstrates the composition of the parliament based on the three following categories. First, 10 members each from the three provinces of Tibet. Second, from the five religious sects in school, Nyingma, Kagyu, Sakya, Gelu, and Pen. 2 members elected from each, therefore totaling 10 representatives. Third, based on the following regions, 2 members from South and North America, 2 from Africa and Europe, excluding India, Nepal and Bhutan. Rest of Asia and Australia has only 1 representative. Altogether, it makes up to 45 parliamentarians. As stated in Clause 1, at least 2 members of the provincial representatives must be female. It is cited in Clause 3, Article 37, that the Tibetan Assembly may increase the number of regional deputies as and when required. However, except for the 5 foreign MPs, the rest 40 members must be elected by Tibetans from India, Nepal, and Bhutan. Statistically, that's 89% of the MPs elected by Tibetans in this country, and only 11% elected by the rest of the world. Even though the amount of Tibetans living across the world versus residents of India, Nepal, Bhutan is almost divided 50-50, the composition of the current parliamentarian legislation is not equal to ratio, which have led to many discussions and debates. What are your thoughts in increasing the number of representatives from the foreign regions? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.